Hello everyone. Today, we're excited to introduce the Gintan Bookcase, a versatile and stylish piece of furniture designed to optimize your storage space with its unique tree shape and 9-level design. This standing shelf is perfect for any room, whether it's your bedroom, living room, or home office, and its foldable design means no tedious installation steps. Just open it up and you're ready to go. Crafted from durable metal, this bookcase is not only strong and beautiful but also waterproof and easy to clean, making it a practical choice for any home. Measuring 43 by 23 by 98 centimeters, it's ideal for storing books, DVDs, and magazines, and when folded, it compacts to just 43 by 23 by 15.5 centimeters, fitting perfectly into cozy corners and tiny niches. The adjustable silicone feet ensure stability on uneven surfaces, protecting your floors and desks from damage. Whether you need a CD shelf, a children's bookshelf, or a desktop filing shelf, the Gintan Bookcase is your go-to solution for stylish and efficient storage. So why not transform your space with this multifunctional and space-saving marvel today? Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.